Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff Burnett, how are you doing? Hope you had a nice 4th of July weekend. What we have here is an RBS Quality Products porcelain sign. RBS is an Indian company that makes some type of parts, might be for tires or something. The sign's in pretty good shape. It's just kind of a unique brand, and if you got any ties to India or just want something that's truly unique, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.